The Waterdrop 600G just installed. This is the instructions right here. Super easy to put together. So the first thing was we installed the water feed adapter, which is right here. So add this in line to the cold water, and then now this thing will connect over here, and it connects to the Waterdrop 600G. It goes back here. So back here, there is the connection for it down here. That's the input. So the input right here is the water that comes in. That's the first step. The second step is install the reverse osmosis faucet, which is this right here. So you have to make sure you have a 1-inch hole. Our hole was a little bit smaller, so we made it bigger, and this thing fits inside. Once you put that thing down there, there's a little mounting washer right here. Just screw the washer up and you're good. So from this faucet, two things comes down. So two things. One is this power wire, and one is this white tube. So the power wire gets the power from the Waterdrop 600G. This is what sends the signal to the faucet to give you the display information up here. So you're going to get the display information right here. That's the power for that display. The second thing is this is your filtered water line. So it goes right here and connects to your filtered water line. Super easy. So there's 3 lines. The water in right here. Yep, that's right. You can see right here. This is the water in. And then this is the filter water. So right there, the water input, and then the filter water, and then this is the wastewater. Okay. So the wastewater is number 3. This one, you do have to install this drain saddle in this drain pipe here, and this is the cable that plugs in here, and that is the tube for the wastewater. So this goes here, and then the red one goes right here, and this, you see right there, this is for the wastewater. That's it. 3 tubes. Okay. And then step number 4 is position the reverse osmosis system housing. Ample flat area is required to place the system. Position the front panel facing towards you for future indicator checking. So when you install this, you want to slide this into a flat surface right here, which we already identified right there. And then I love that the filters are going to be easily accessible right here from the front. So when we need to replace it, it's very easy. And also we want to be able to see the indicators up here. So that's it right there. Step number 4 is placing the system in there. Step number 5 is connecting the tube. So all the tubes we already connected. So all we got to do is open up the water. So turn this input right here to put the water into the system. So we're going to go ahead and turn this and hope there's no leak. Here we go. Water on. So far so good. No leak. Yes, perfect. And monitor for any leak for at least a day to make sure no water is leaking. And then now the next step is connect the power cord right here. So connect the power. We already connected the power back here. It just goes to the back of the unit. And install the filter. So we already pre-installed the filter. So super easy to install the filter. The water was supposed to turn on, then we were supposed to install the filter. We kind of reversed that a little bit, because right now the filters are already installed. We installed the filter first and then turn on the water. I don't think it's a big deal. If it is, we will figure it out. So what we're gonna do right now is gonna plug in the power here. So these filters, all you do is you put them in and you turn them quarter turn for all of them. Super easy to install. Then connect the power here. So there we go. Now the system is powered on. Ooh, look at that beautiful display right there. It's powering up right now. Okay, no leak still. All right, start up the system. Turn on the cold water valve. Feed water adapter, connect the power, wait for 5 minutes, allow the system to flush automatically. So we're gonna wait for 5 minutes, okay? So wait for 5 minutes and then turn on the faucet, allow it to run for 30 minutes until the display screen shows TDS reading. So no leaking, so perfect. So we're just gonna let this run for about 5 minutes. It's just flushing itself for 5 minutes. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes, after which we will let the system run for about 30 minutes. So this will run for 5 minutes now. When we come back, we're gonna open this and let this run for 30 minutes. Right now, it's just starting up. Give this thing 5 minutes. We'll be back in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the light should all turn off, and over here, you should see this turn off. So now, the last step is to go ahead and turn on the reverse osmosis faucet and allow it to run 30 minutes until the display shows the TDS reading. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. First time ever, will it work? There's some air, and voila, we have water. All right, so right there, we're gonna let it run for 30 minutes. So get a clock, keep a timer, and once it's done, you will have the TDS reading display on here. So we'll let it run for 30 minutes and we'll come back and we'll see the TDS display right here. After 30 minutes, you should see your TDS reading right there. 16, 17 TDS, really low TDS. It's perfect. And now you have your filtered water. Super awesome. 16 TDS is amazing. Turn it off like that. And when you're ready to use the water, turn it on and you got instant flow. No tank to worry about. This is a tankless system. You got a stream of water right there. Reverse osmosis filter water. And then you can turn it off like that. Down here, this is a unit. It shows you your TDS out over here, your filter status up here, and your filters. You got the CB filter, the CF filter, the RO filter. Easy to replace. Quarter turn this way and pull it out. No tools needed. You see, just turn a quarter turn like that. Everyone is the same way, and because they're different sizes, you cannot get it wrong. No tools needed. New filter goes in, turn this way, and you're good. So that's how you install and remove the filter. This thing is very convenient. With a Waterdrop 600G, this thing is the reverse osmosis system. It's a game changer. No tank, very compact, very quiet, very convenient, easy to replace a filter, tankless water filter, reverse osmosis. This thing is awesome. Game changer for sure. Love it. Oh yeah.